shape is a bubble? Let's start by blowing some bubbles and see what shapes we can observe. I'm going to use my bubble cup here and get some bubble solution on the bottom. Watch closely as I blow it up and see if you can tell what shape it is. What did you notice about that bubble? What shape was it? It looks like this bubble is round. You might also call it a circle or a sphere or even a ball. Those are all great words to describe what shape those bubbles were. So I wonder, is a bubble always round or could it be other shapes too? I think we should test things out to find out. So these bubble wands are different shapes. Let's start with this one. That way we can repeat our experiment from here, but with a new type of tool. So what shape is this one? A circle. It's round, like my cup was. So let's make a bubble with this one and see what shape it might be. Now, could you help me out as we test? I'd love for you to count me down. So as we go, you're going to count down 3, 2, 1, and then yell, science! And that way, I'll have your support from testing at home. All right, so let's try it out. Here we go. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1, science! Wow, that was a big bubble. Did you see what shape it was? Let's try again. Oop, we'll have to get some more bubble solution. All right, let's make sure that we can observe it. So look closely and we'll see what shape is coming out of our circle wand. Wow, it looks like that these bubbles are also round. So the round cup and the round shape are both making round bubbles. That's what we've observed so far. So now let's test out some other shapes. Can you tell me what shape this one is? It has 3 sides that come to a point. It's a triangle. So let's make a prediction. Do you think that the triangle wand will make a triangle-shaped bubble or a round bubble? If you think that it will be a triangle-shaped bubble, touch your fingers to your nose. If you think that it'll be a round bubble, put your hands on your head. Awesome, so we have 2 predictions. Let's test it out. Can you help me count down again? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, science! Whoa! Let's do that one more time to make sure we can see what shape that bubble was. Here we are. Wow! So it looks like a round bubble is also coming out of our triangle shape. That is an interesting observation. Well, let's try one more shape, just to be sure. So the last shape I have here has 4 equal sides. Can you tell me what shape this is? A square. So let's make another prediction. Do you think that the square shape will make a square bubble? Or do you think it will make a round bubble? If you think it'll make a square bubble, touch your fingers to your nose. If you think it'll make a round bubble, put your hands on your head. Great, let's find out. So we'll count down this last shape test. 3, 2, 1, science. Whoa! All right, let's do it one more time to make sure we can see what's happening. Here we go. Wow, so it looks like the square shape also made a round bubble. So no matter what shape we use, whether it's a circle, a triangle, or a square, they all make round bubbles. Thank you so much for being a bubbleologist with me today. You did an awesome job using